Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam related to the website updatemac.com. Updatemac.com is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you basically download and install some potentially unwanted software which is acting in a very aggressive manner. So don't tolerate these pop-ups. Just leave this deceptive page. Now, I also recommend that you research the computer additionally with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start researching the computer to detect and remove any other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.